Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of creating QR codes in Excel. I used QR code, which is an add-on, and I can say right from the beginning I wouldn't recommend it because it doesn't take the data from your sheet. So let's go ahead. You can see it also has a branding in there that's kind of annoying. So let's cut that. And what I mean by take hello world. So here is my data, and that's an A1. If I go over here and say equals A1, it won't process it, which basically, what's the point of using a spreadsheet if it doesn't have a direct connection to the cell values? All right, so that is QR code. I'm definitely going to be uninstalling that immediately. And worse, these guys don't even offer any kind of tagging, in so much that you've got lots of different types of QR codes or prefixes for QR codes. QR codes for email, QR codes for URLs, QR codes for WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, all of them have their own prefixes, and this particular tool doesn't offer any of them. So I would not recommend QR code generator, and I will be deleting it as soon as I finish this video. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.